This is on the '07 Yukon. You have 2 screws, which are already removed, and you have 2 push-ins. And then these are your stop lights on top, your running and flashers in the middle, and your reverse and running lights or reverses in the bottom. You have a marker on the side. And all we have to do is line these back up, slide the screws back in. You do not need to remove this upper piece. There's a screw here and a screw under that the brake light covers. So you don't need to remove that piece. But we can just go ahead and line these up. Down there and up there. And push it in. And then come around. Start our screws. And the stoplights won't turn on unless the key's on. Not like old school cars. So we cut the key on. I got my little brake pedal up against the interior. And that's your stoplight. Pretty simple, pretty easy, not a big brainer. Don't pay nobody to do that. '07, and I'm sure probably anywhere from '03 to 12 is all the same. Yukon, Silverados, the Denali's. Should be good. Like and subscribe.